Well, I was just going to take a picture, but oh my God. I don't think this is the official name, but this is Shitfield. I don't think that's what they name it on this island, but oh my God. Oh my. Look at the feathers. Okay, you can build a pillow. Don't even have to have anything. You just come build a pillow. Good to go. Oh, Martina, look at those with the drops on them. Wow, that is beautiful. This one's got a web. Okay, so a little bit of everything right there. There's a boat out there. So, but this is fantabulous. Haven't experienced anything like this before.